This is cool, man. Okay, check this out. I just put ashes on the garden. There's ants underneath my ash bucket, which sucks. Hopefully they don't destroy everything. I put an ant trap there. Hopefully this works. It worked last year. It worked really well. I don't know. We'll see, I guess. And check this out. Is this not neat? Look who I found. They hatch like dragonflies. Yes. Oh, they came out of the fucking ground though. This guy was in the water bucket. That is fucking cool, man. It's fucking cicada. Oh my goodness. See ever a beautiful, ugly fucking monster, eh? Look at that hideous bastard. Hey, buddy. That's you, that big ugly. Wow. Oh. Wow, hey. My goodness. Look at that fucking scowl. Grrr. What are you looking at? Yeah, bud. My goodness. What a creature. He must have just hatched. Check this out. There's his alien spacesuit. Fucking far out, man. Focus, eh? Look at that. My goodness. I've never seen. Too bad I didn't catch him hatching. That would have been badass. Except I probably would have fucked him up. He's all ready now, though. He's good to go. Fuck, what do I do with him? It's fucking pouring rain outside, and I gotta go shoot her. Or it was. Fuck. He looks fresh. You ready to take off, bud? Okay, fucking leave you here. You'll fucking. Well, they like the heat, I guess. I don't know if you like the fucking moisture in here, though. What a creature, huh? I don't want to fuck with him. I don't want to hurt the little guy. Little guy, Jesus fuck. Look at the size of him compared to my finger. It's pretty big. Come on. There we go. The potato tower's doing awesome. I don't know if I should put ashes in. I wouldn't even know how to, really. I don't want to get them on the leaves. I try not to get them on the leaves. I try and just put them on the roots. That lettuce is disgusting. I chopped it down. It's probably going to grow back twice as thick because they don't like it, but whatever. Blueberries, I'm not sure if they're going to take. It looks like some might, some are... Yeah, it's hard to tell. Those are just wild strawberries, but they're fun. They grow everywhere here, and if they take, good. If they don't, good. Blueberry bush in the jar. Not happy because I forgot, blueberries like it dry. So yeah, the blueberries might not survive in here. But what in the Sammy shit is that? But yeah, I just wanted to show you this freaking guy. Yeah. Welcome to Earth, man. Cool spacesuit. Far out, man. Looking for it. Actually, I found on here. Oop. Let's see if we can see if he did come out of the ground. Where would the hole be? Holy fucking shit. The motherfucker came out of the ground. Look at that. Now that is a cicada-sized hole. Ha! Far out, man. Shit. Where you been the last 17 years? Johnny! Good to see you, buddy. Holy fuck. I thought you were joking. Look at that, eh? That's fucking crazy. Eh? There's a... Fuck me. Cool. Well, there you go. Yeah, cicada hole. My God. They're underneath us. Ah! Ah!